Hi, and welcome to Sunday School Made Easy with me, Rose. So glad to have you join us today. Today we'll be looking at 3 simple and easy cross crafts that you can do as home decor or use it in your classroom. And if you're also looking for Easter related items, then don't forget to check out the playlist down below in the description box for cross crafts and Easter quizzes that are perfect for the classroom or for general knowledge. And if you are new to this channel, then welcome. On this channel we do Bible quiz, Bible crafts, and Sunday school teacher training videos, and so much more. I would love to have you as one of our subscribers. And if you haven't done so, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're always up to date with our latest and greatest videos. If you're always here supporting our channel, then thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Now, let's get into this video. This is a simple cross decor that you can have in your classroom. I also have a similar one that your students can do in Sunday school. I will link that particular video down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So here you're going to use a cross from the dollar store and one of these circle signs that is also from dollar store. It's from the Valentine's collection, and you're going to need a paint in vintage white, and I took the circle sign and painted the back with that and also the cross. Now all I'm going to do is attach the cross to the round piece using the glue gun and making sure that they're solid. Now I'm going to use the butterfly and the flowers that it's also available at the Dollar Tree and just put it around the cross like shown here. Fly sticker that's also from the dollar store. I'm just gonna bend it over just to give it a little bit of a lift and make it look really nice so you can see how that looks there. And I'm just going to put a couple on this piece. Now I'm going to take some twine and put it through the hole so it is a hanging piece. And this is what the final result looks like, just like that. And I also hanged it up so you can see. This is a beautiful memory verse display piece that you can use in your home or in your classroom, so kids can see the memory verse that you are working on. I also have another palette sign craft that you can display your prayers with, and I also have a video with another version of a memory verse display item piece that you can have in your classroom. I will link both videos down below. So here I'm going to take this laser cut chip piece in a heart shape and make an ombre effect. You can also just paint it red, and I'm going to take this cross that I got from Walmart and attach the heart in the center like so. And here is a palette sign I got from Dollarama a while ago, and all I'm going to do is paint it white with this deco acrylic paint, and then I'm going to attach the cross using my glue gun and seeing where I actually want it, and then attaching it and letting it kind of dry. And this is what it looks like so far. Now from Crafter Square, I'm going to take these wood clothespins. I just need one, and I'm going to put that just slightly beside the cross and glue it. I'm going to take these wood chip letters and spell out memory verse. Then I took this black acrylic paint and painted all the letters, and with my glue gun I attached all of the memory verse letters to the bottom part of this palette. Then at the back, all I did is take these twine and attach the rope so I can hang it, and then I secured it with these circle pieces so it's more secure when I go to hang it up. So here I attached a memory verse from Acts chapter 3 verse 15, and it says, "And you killed the author of life, whom God raised from the dead. To this we are witnesses." And this is what the project looks like all together. Here is a standing cross decor that you can have in your home or in the classroom, and it's perfect not only for Easter but all year round. Now we're going to take this dollar store cross that has a stand on it that's available at Dollar Tree. Now all I'm going to do is take the glue gun and put a bead of glue and use this twine and wrap it around from the base, just going around. And when I get to this middle section, all I'm going to do is cut it off and start a new section again using the glue gun to put it through. And this is what it looks like so far. And I also painted the bottom part vintage white from Fork Art. And I'm taking this heart laser chipboard piece that I painted white and putting it on the center of the cross so it looks like this. Now I'm taking this stand piece that is this color, but I also painted it with the Fork Art vintage white, and it took about 4 coats to get it to what I would like for it to be. Now all I'm going to take is these decorative balls and center the cross that we just made and just put the decorative balls all around it, and this is what it looks like all together. It looked very beautiful, and I hope that you like it too. Thanks for watching till the end of this video. Don't forget to check out the recommended videos for you, and if you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're always up to date with our latest and greatest videos. Until the next video, take care and God bless.